Myntri ke Tnat Pule Puthi ke Jylla Meghalaya urakam sangma ulapen pau ya ke jingsngo Khuslai jingmut jong halor ke jingshisha ba ke Jylla Meghalaya kamla satya ban pinmi bun ya ki he ki han civil service na po ke Jylla. Habai kren bat kinong pathai khubor menta kasngi Myntri uloong ba ke ne kalongkum ke jingkrsiu thia ya ke sarkar ki jaka Pule bat ki start ki jhat jong ke Jylla bat kumjo ru ya ki samla samhoi baro. Da ka ba shepting yo ba kalawai ke ne ke Jylla kalong ka badum ngan lada ke Jylla kamla satya ban pinmi ya ki he civil service ulakin turu ya ki samla bakin don ya ke jing ai Mynsiem dalade ya lade. Ungai ru ba ka wei na kidaw ba kongsan na kabenta ka Jylla Meghalaya ba kamla ban pinmi bun ki he civil service kadai na kadaw ba ki samla kimla ban pinyahap yala dia kat kum ki kerdan jong kiri bat jong ka perthai laha kalyang ka met ka phat bat ka perkhat ka perdan.
The Meghalaya students, we are second to nobody. But however, what is happening, the trend is very grim for us. If Meghalaya fail to produce civil service candidates in near future, it will be a dark future for the state. Therefore, I think I request the young, brilliant people of our state, the children's young people, I think we should have a self-motivation. Maybe the curriculum, the syllabus, the institution, the quality of our institution, the quality of our teachings might be the issue.